Hello there and welcome to Cherif's new livestream. Today we are in profits. If you have watched our previous YouTube livestream, you would have seen that currently Bitcoin has been following our prediction since the breakout of this falling wedge pattern and since the rejection of this point of control. We have went for shorts. Ethereum classic short has went for over 30% profits, and our Bitcoin short is currently in around, let's see 36% profits. That's what you get for being faithful to our live stream. And for today, we are going to be looking for some new opportunities. So are you guys ready? Because you better be. Let's see on the chat. We have Social Earth. Welcome to the live stream, Social Earth. We have Kaiser. Is it live streaming? Is it live trading? Well, yes, it is live trading. And we have Felix, our loyal viewer. How's your day been going so far, ladies and gentlemen? I hope that you're all doing well. So, well, you should have watched our previous live stream, man. Bitcoin like perfectly followed our prediction. This one and the rejection. We even have posted for you on Discord. You see, we told you that BTC will continue going up. We already predicted this previous movement. We told you that it will retest the resistance. Boom. And we were confidently telling you to short from the top, and eventually that's what happened, and we are in profits, which is now 35% using X10 leverage. Can we use multiple 50, multiple 100 leverage with your live trading? Well, no, you can't. We use multiple 10. That's it. We use multiple 10. The thing is that the quality of the live stream isn't really that perfect, so I might try to fix this. Gotta see if there's a way that I could fix the quality, because it all should be in high quality. I'm not sure if it's because of YouTube or if it's because... Let's see. Last time I used to stream on Twitch, the quality used to be way better. Although I'm using the same settings. It's probably from YouTube. Let's see. Let's see how can I have 1080p on YouTube using Streamlabs. Because I would like to deliver the best quality for you guys. It's important that you could get to see the numbers. So let's see who could help us out with that. So this guy might be helping us out. Let's see. So he told me... Oh, it's the King Hamza Qalay, صاحبي Qalay. Welcome to the live stream, buddy. I'm trying to work on the quality of the live stream. I don't want it to be on 480p. The quality like this is not really good because the numbers are the most important, and you should be able to see the numbers that I'm looking at. Want to stay up, but it's midnight. I'm here and I only can say hi. Sorry. No problem, Felix. Well, hopefully we'll be able to see the recap later, so no problem. Thank you for being here, by the way. So, well, we currently see that Bitcoin followed our prediction perfectly. We have seen the breakout above this falling wedge pattern. We have seen the retest just like I have told you. And the reason why I haven't predicted rejection off of this 0.618 Fibonacci retracement is because we've had a strong bullish momentum while retesting it. Knowing that we have this point of control which is unfilled since the last time we have broken from below of it. So I told you that there could be a good chance of having a retest over here. And eventually our plan worked out perfectly. We will either go for rejection from here to the downside, or we are going to see some reversal to the upside. So let's check it out. Meanwhile, for Ethereum, let me look at Ethereum Bitcoin chart, how things are looking from the signal that we have provided the last week. This is spot. Ethereum is right now forming a large falling wedge pattern here on spot. Right now we are currently retesting the support, the weekly support over here. We should be expecting to see some reversal from here to the upside, which will take us for up to 105% profits. That's what we are expecting from Ethereum / BTC. If there is any signal you guys would like to request or any chart, feel free to ask so on the chat. I'm always active on the Twitch chat or on the YouTube chat. Without hesitation, Kaiser was the first one to request. Glad to see your request, Betty. So, over here for Reef, we could notice that there is this old trend that we are going to be visiting soon, or that we have visited, I don't know. So we have this hidden trend over here that we are currently visiting, which we will reverse from it. We are going to see some reversal to the downside from here. Boom. And eventually the first retest is going to be around the 0.618 Fibonacci retracement of the local wave. We are going to have a retest over here, and then eventually we will see some pullback to the upside. If we don't see some pullback to the upside from here, we are going down more. But I believe that Reef should go short from here. From this hidden trend, we should go short, and let's see if it's going to be huge. Yeah, it's a huge movement over here. We are talking on the daily time frame. So this is unsafe to use multiple 10 leverage, except that right now we are currently forming lower low, so there could be a chance, like a very small chance, if you want to go for a dangerous scalp. But it's way risky because this coin is volatile. So if you want to go short, you better use multiple 10 leverage or multiple 5 leverage and use small margin. It's risky. Otherwise, just be patient and we will look for something else that's way safer than this play. Just moves strongly. Look at this. Only retest to the 0.618 Fibonacci would be 70% move, something like that. Moving on, next we have Popcat, which is requested by Grantla. We have checked for you, so let's see the prediction that we have made for you in the previous live stream. Where is it? Is it on this one? Yep, I already did the prediction when you requested the Popcat in the previous live stream. We told you that it would go up, and that's exactly what happened. From our previous live stream, it peaked at over 29% and is currently almost back at break even. So there could be a chance of seeing reversal, because here we have an uptrend that we are currently retesting its resistance. So we might be seeing some rejection from here. It could be a retest until this, and then we go back up again. Or if we break from below, then it's time to short, because here we are forming an expanding triangle. You can see it. But a breakout above this resistance will lead to a very strong move until $2 or even $3. So do you have any question regarding to Popcat? If so, feel free to ask, because we are moving on to the next one. Well, I know CAT USDT, but for CAT's USDT, I'm not sure, but I think it's pure scam. Because you already have CAT project. I don't think that it would be a good reason to be looking at CATs. What do you think? Let me know. We are going to look at Bitcoin. There's something really interesting that being formed right now. If we zoom in the 4 hours time frame, you could notice that we are currently forming a balance, which means that we are preparing for a move. It's either going to be continuation to the downside or reversal to the upside. Yeah, so I think it's a scam. Honey, good to see you, man. I love it when I see people coming back to watch my live stream again. I appreciate that the most. So, on the 4 hours time frame, we could notice that right now Bitcoin is forming balance over here. So after following our perfect prediction made by the King Cherif over here, it's art. It's perfect. It's so perfect, dude. Like, if you go to the previous 2 live streams, you will see that I predicted this breakout of this triangle. And I didn't only predict that this is going to be I predicted that this is going to be the first top and this is going to be the second top. Look at this, dude. It's working perfectly. Everything is going perfect. And this is not the first time, and hopefully it wouldn't be the last time. This is what we're doing. This is what we do every day. This is what's in the Discord. These are the things that you see and don't see. I always share with you in the free section, but this is like 5%. Okay, not that much. Like, this is only 30%, 40%, because I provide too much free content. Which you should be thanking me for it. Kazuyuki, it's good to see you on the live stream, buddy. You're one of them people, loyal people that keep on coming back. Once we win the challenge, we are going to announce some winners, and Kazuyuki is going to be one of them. So, what we currently predict on Bitcoin is that we believe that on the 4 hours time frame we are currently forming some balance over here. We would take a rectangle because you could see the price is moving sideways. If you look on the 4 hours time frame, you could see this. There is a rectangle here. You have an inside candle, and then you have a breakout over here. Tomorrow we have important news because, as you could see on the Forex Factory website, tomorrow the United States of America are going to provide 3 important news. Tomorrow, Wednesday, you have the Wednesday and the Thursday and the Friday. Wednesday you have FOMC meeting minutes. This would cause volatility in the market, which is going to happen tomorrow. During the session of the United States, New York session. And you have over here the news of core CPI, and you have the CPI, which is related to each other. So even on Thursday there are important news, and you have Friday. You could see on the Canadian and the USD there are important news. We have the core PPI and we have the PPI. And for Canada we have employment change and employment rate. These would cause volatility in the market. And right now what we could see is that we are currently forming a balance. And what I'm mostly predicting is there could be another pump where we retest this 0.618 Fibonacci retracement and then we go down very hard. This could be possibility, and this would be the great scenario for Bitcoin. If this happens, if we see some reversal to the upside on Bitcoin, this would be the perfect scenario, and I will tell you why. I will tell you why this would be on our side, and this would be on the prediction that I have made for you. We have the King Buffalo here joining the live stream, asking me about APT. How you doing, King? It's good to see you on my live stream. You're one of those loyal people that I'm talking about. How you doing, buddy? Can we grow account from $10 only? I'm kinda new. Sorry for stupid question. Well, why did I on earth make this challenge? Why did I make the challenge from $150 to $500? Why? It's because I'm here to prove that it doesn't matter how much money you have. You could always get started. But if you know how to trade using those $10, if you know how to trade, it could work out. I once went from $3 to $80 within 2.5 weeks. I only did it once. I'm not sure if it's luck or I did it well, but I kind of risked. I used high leverage, you know, but it worked. Keep on watching the stream. You'll probably learn things from it which are going to be beneficial for you soon. So I recommend you doing so. Let me sip my tea and continue providing you analysis. If things go as planned, guys, we are going to heaven on earth. So, as I have mentioned, here we have balance, here we have the resistance, we have some coins that are forming bullish patterns such as Solana. In the 4 hours time frame, it's currently forming inverse head and shoulders over here. But the thing is that Bitcoin is the most important. We have to keep our eyes in it, knowing that tomorrow there are going to be good news which will cause volatility. I believe that there could be a good chance of seeing another fake out around the point of control area. and this new 0.618 Fibonacci retracement, which will take us down. And let me tell you why this scenario is perfect. So as you know, and as I have told you previously, that we have unfilled point of control here in the bottom, which is around the price of $59,100, which we didn't even retest. So the thing is that why I believe that this would be good for us is that if we manage to go for the first scenario, have a retest over here and go down, there could be a good chance of forming a double bottom pattern around the price of $59,200. And not only that, during the double bottom pattern we will go down and grab liquidity from the point of control, and then we will go back up. So our entries will not be from the bottom of this double bottom, it would be from the bottom of the fucking bottom. So we must got them. And this would be our neckline of the inverse, like of the double bottom pattern. This over here, you can see it works perfectly and accurately. And if this happens, we will have a breakout and then go back to around $70,000. Can you help me in technical analysis, or can I watch in your previous streams if uploaded? YouTube. Well, the live streams are definitely useful, and I am providing free courses in our website, so feel free to contact me on Discord and I will be sharing you. Otherwise, I believe that learning during the live stream is way easier and way better, because you could ask questions live and you get to see how I do things. I even have some short YouTube videos that I have posted previously, providing you tips on the most basic chart patterns that you could use. And chart patterns are just indication. You don't rely on it as 100%. You just combine it. To trade, you must have a strategy. So, what we said over here is that if Bitcoin breaks below $61,000, 858, if we break from below of it, we will see continuation to the downside. Otherwise, if we break from above of the price 63,300, we will see rejection from here, which is close to $64,000. Then we go down. What I believe is that we are going down soon, but before it there could be a retest around 64, close to 64. So I hope everything is clear, and it's time to start, or to finish, providing analysis for the other coins that you guys have requested. So we checked Reef. We have checked Popcat. What else? Wasn't there a request? It was APT, I guess. So APT is following our prediction too. They are all following our prediction. They are all following prediction. Yo, man. How you doing? Like, okay? All following prediction, bro. All. APT went down like we predicted, and we bottomed out from where we predicted, and boom, 26%. That's how we rolling. From the bottom to the top, my friend. So what was your question? How's APT doing? This is how it's doing. It's following prediction, and hopefully it the pump, there's a good chance of retesting $10.00, or at least 9.5. But here is a safe place to exit the trade. Otherwise, there is a good chance of risking for $10. Moving on next to the next requested chart, Buy Hani Itmias. OXT USDT analysis, please. Yes, sir. There we go. So we have this dump over here. Let's see. Looks like it wants to reverse. We gotta see for the next hours. Hold on. So you see, we have broken from above of the 0.618 Fibonacci retracement, but right now we are consolidating. Honestly, in the next 2 hours or the next 4 hours, we have to close above this 0.618 Fibonacci. If that happens, there could be a good chance of going up until 0.778. Can you help with technical analysis? Yeah, so I have read that. Moving on to be checking near USDT. So let's see. Kind of a falling wedge over here. Very weak following wedge. Crawling wedge, not even falling. Holy, look at this. What kind of a point of control we have over here? Let's see if we could generate anything interesting. Obviously, it's weak because we have broken from below this with 0.618 Fibonacci retracement, and we went back inside of the value. Let me see. So I think we could go for a retest here. We could go sideways and then retest this. If we see some pullback to the upside and a breakout above the falling wedge here, it's going to be good and bullish for near USDT. It will take us to $5 and then $5.2. The entry is 4.793. So let's see if it will take us to the dreamland. Meanwhile, for XRP, things are obvious. We are waiting for 0.5 We are waiting for $0.5 psychological level of support. We could see maybe like, hold on. Let's check it out on the 4 hours time frame. Okay, never mind. Go back to. It's kind of forming a bearish flag over here, as you can see. Bearish flag, so soon we will have our breakout to $0.5. And the weekly trend, because the chart of XRP USDT is very interesting and it's very simple. Anyone could understand it. Obviously, we are going for a pennant over here on the weekly time frame. And we could be expecting to see breakout. It's either going to happen from above or from below. So let's see about it. I am proud that Bitcoin perfectly followed our prediction and rejected off of where we told you it would. Let me post this real quick for you. So you get to see it clearly. There we go. As easy as that. Is that the Human League in the background? Oh. It's called Once in a Lifetime. So let's see which coin we are going to be checking next. Before in the live streams, I used to play chess with the viewers. We would finish doing analysis, or we would move on to playing chess together. Which coin should we be checking next? Do you have a blog or a website? Yes, of course, we do have a website where we provide signals, free signals, and I have posted 2 courses for free. It's signalspremium.net. BNX, yo, Gigon. It's good to see you on the live stream, buddy. Welcome, welcome. So let's check it on for you. BNX. I already have made a chart for BNX, and whoa, right now we are currently retesting the support that I have predicted. Let's check on the 200 EMA. We've had the first breakout from below. There could be a good chance of scalping here. Could be an entry. Oh, Nocturne Killa, how you doing? Good to see you, buddy. Good to see you on the live stream. So we could be expecting to see a good opportunity over here to scalp this for spot. So we could have 2 targets or maybe 3 targets. BTC, yeah, for sure, dude. You're going to love our BTC prediction, buddy. Have you seen our BTC prediction? Same thing for Van Buffel. We are going to show you Ethereum chart. You're gonna love it too. And then we will go for WLD. We have our new chatter over here, Joydas. Welcome, buddy, welcome. So there could be a spot signal over here for BingX, and we could use up to 3 targets from here. We got this second target, and then moving on to the third target. Alright, let's go. So you have this signal over here, spot. Hopefully things would go as planned from here. And then we are going to be moving on next to the Ethereum chart. Yeah, there is a good chance of seeing reversal to the upside from this area, as I have showed you in the chart. Here on Ethereum on the daily time frame, if we have a breakout from above of this trend, we would definitely see a retest over here on this resistance, which is around the price of $3,000. But we are going to be definitely seeing some reversal back to this area. Here at the bottom, the horizontal level of support. But currently we are seeing some bullish momentum here on Ethereum actually. But is it going to be enough? Let's see. So we have been consolidating here on the resistance of the 0.618 Fibonacci retracement, and now we are consolidating here in the bottom of the 0.618 Fibonacci retracement. And after breaking from below of this 1 hour uptrend, so we are consolidating the breakout here. There is also the 200 EMA above of us. So Ethereum is going for a 30 minutes time frame chart, and over here we have our consolidation area here. This is the area of consolidation. Ethereum, a breakout above of 2,450 would lead to 3,000. It's possible, because we are going to be looking for some reversal over here. It's kind of a rounding bottom, and this is its neckline. I don't recommend going into any position for now in Ethereum. Meanwhile, for Bitcoin, if we check on BTC, as you can see, perfectly followed our prediction, went up here, broken from above of the hidden falling wedge pattern that we have told you about previously, and even followed our prediction by topping off of the 0.618 Fibonacci, and the second where we predicted that there could be a retest around the point of control, which is close to 63,600. And what we are currently predicting on Bitcoin, by the way, this is an XRP chart where we are looking at the weekly time frame. You could totally see that over here on the weekly time frame we are currently forming a pennant in XRP. So a breakout from above in XRP would lead to a strong move to $0.9, and hopefully soon would lead to $1. Thank you for the reactions. And the opposite, if we see a breakout from below, it would lead to $0.3. But we're most likely looking for a breakout from above. We are looking for a retest soon around the price of 0.5%, where we are going to long once we reach 0.5%, and we are going to be looking for 84% profits up to 109% profits, or even 100% profits. This is on XRP. Same thing goes to the Ethereum Bitcoin chart. On the weekly time frame, we are currently looking for a falling wedge pattern. And this, the resistance of it, has been formed since 2 years ago. So a breakout from above would lead to a very strong movement on the short term and the midterm. We are currently retesting weekly supports over here, so there could be a good chance of expecting reversal to the upside from here. Checking the SUI for our friend. We have formed, just like I told you yesterday. This is so perfect, dude. I'm out of this. I'm out of this. I mean, look at how accurate this is, dude. I told you this in the last live stream. It's still saved here on YouTube. I told you about this level. I told you if we go below, we have two supports and we will go up. But if we break from above, we have another resistance over here and we will go down, reject from here. You can see the daily closure right at the level we have told you about. Look at this. Look at the closure. Right off where we told you it would reject from. This is so perfect, dude. And before that, we already had the prediction for SUI, since we've had this breakout and it went for 36%. And I have taught you about this strategy in the previous live stream, and I have written to you inside day bar, inside candle. This is very good, guys. This is so good. That's what you get for recommending coins during Cherif's live streams. I hope that you're proud. I think it was you, Hani, who previously asked me to check SUI. So we have Bitcoin, amazing prediction, and we have Ethereum Classic over here. What do you think, Hani? Didn't I tell you about this? It would happen? So Ethereum Classic broke from below the falling wedge that we have predicted to. Great win streak, thank God. We are on a good streak, dude. Perfectly followed your prediction. Thank God, dude, I'm so amazed. Same thing goes to Ethereum Classic. I really love it when I have a win streak. Checking FTM for you. So on the day time frame, we have formed inverse head and shoulders, broken from above it. We have this support too. Went for a fake out and then went for a reverse. We could see that over here we have resistance, new resistance. If we break from above of it, we will go up hard. But you should keep in mind that we didn't fully retest the 0.618 Fibonacci. So there are two chances. We could fill the support, then reverse to the upside, or we could go up from here and break from above the rectangle. So there are two types of longs for FTM. It's going to be a breakout above 0.7402, or it's going to be a breakout, or it's going to be a retest around the price of 0.5781. So we have the yellow dad dude asking about WLD. WLD has broken from below of the 0.618 Fibonacci retracement and the consolidation area, so I think that WLD is still going down from here until 1.774, so there could be a good short entry from here. Things you can't hide, I wanna know what you're feeling. So let's see if we will be cooking again, making more profits from WLD. We have a short over here. This could be the entry, one target, one because we are going to reverse to longing from here. We could have 7% TP or even lower here. 6% stop loss, or we could use less. Hold on. Okay, close to 1.1 risk reward ratio. We have the signal. I'm going for this scalp using extend leverage. Everything's perfect. Let's see how it goes. There is some things you can't hide. Thank you for recommending WLD. Very interesting choice. Make sure to like the live stream, guys, by the way. For the motivation. This live wouldn't happen without your existence. Since we've had started doing live streams again, everything has been going perfectly. All predictions happened, as we told you. I'm a proud man of myself and of you for recommending good coins. APT is flying again. Hopefully it will reach our $9.6 soon. Let's see if it would do it. Bitcoin should be going sideways here because it's the end of the US session. And the alts, they are different. I don't recommend shorting Bitcoin from $60,000. Right now we have possibility of retesting 63%. It's not confirmed, but the thing is, if we break from below the horizontal level of support, we could see continuation to the downside back to $60,000, and your TPs should be around $59,200, $59,000 and 200. The targets should be around there because we have point of control on the daily time frame. So that's how it goes. Gokhan, yo. Good to see you on the stream, King. Will you guys vote for Cherif to be the president of Tunisia? Ethereum season soon, buddy. Ethereum season. Look at this weekly chart. Would you like risking from the bottom, or would you like risking from the breakout to the top? It depends on you. There are two kinds of traders. Do you want people to start buying for you to start buying? Not really. Which coin should we be checking next, guys? Feel free to recommend anything. FTM. By the way, we already had the previous prediction on FTM. We have broken from above of downtrend. But right now, it has formed the resistance as I told you previously, like a couple of minutes ago. So we should be either expecting to see a movement to the upside from here in a breakout, or we go down and retest the 200 EMA. But from where can you long? You could long from closure above of 0.7296. Closure from above that area would lead to a strong move to the upside. So we have a request for Popcat USDT. On the previous live stream, we have done a chart for Popcat, which was this move to the upside. We perfectly predicted it. But over here we have this resistance of this expanding triangle that you could currently see. So we should be looking at some reversal to the downside from here until this support, which we might consolidate over here on the support. And then as long as we hold it, we are going to keep on going up. But if we break from below of it, we are going down, and we will see some longing opportunity from the support of this expanding triangle, which is accurate and clear. Meanwhile, checking on WIF WIF. There's no chart too, but I want the new one. We've made a new chart, didn't we? Where is it? Let's see. I think that I've just checked WIF a couple of minutes ago, didn't I? Oh, it was WLD, never mind. So let's make a new chart. So the new chart is currently indicating that there is this downtrend over here. There is the 200 EMA, which there could be a possibility of retesting it. But we got to keep in mind that there is an order block over here that we have filled. So there could be small up wave. And knowing that over here we have resistance, horizontal resistance. So this resistance, if we break from above it, it might lead to another movement to the upside. Otherwise, I might be expecting just retest here on the resistance, then we go down again, retest the 200 EMA, then break from above again and go for $3 soon. So the midterm prediction for WIF is bullish, and for now we currently see sideways movement. Maybe from this support we go up again. It's possible. WIF is looking good. Meanwhile, for ARGO USDT, this is looking bullish. We have broken from above of the 200 EMA. Currently, there is this very strong resistance that we are currently consolidating around, which is a bullish indication that we might be looking for continuation to the upside. Yeah, I think that there is a good chance that Ergo is bullish, mostly if we hold this support. If we hold this support, Argo would go for large movement to the upside, even bigger than the previous one. The first target would be around 0.1255. So this is really interesting. Let's do this. Let's get this done. Can you suggest stop loss? Well, the stop loss is very obvious. It's very obvious. It's below of 0.0957. But the thing is that I don't recommend that you enter with big money, because there could be also a bearish chance of going for this over here. You could totally see it. There could be a good opportunity of forming a head and shoulders pattern, which is not sure if it really could happen, but it's possible. So you gotta be careful. you either shouldn't be using high leverage or you shouldn't be using high margin. One of these two. So you gotta be careful, Captain. But a breakout from above of this would be a better entry for longs. Above the 200 EMA and mostly above of the 0.1122. Breakouts above of these areas would lead to a strong move. So you gotta go for the move. What do you think? Anytime for my kings. By the way, are you Van Buffel? Thank you for being a part of this live stream, buddy. It was very good to see you. Hopefully I will see you on the next live stream as well. Meanwhile, for Jogon, thank you for recommending this coin. It's very interesting. I will keep my eyes on it and I will keep you updated on Discord. Are you guys members of the Discord or not? Alhamdulillah. I'm here for you, buddy. Whenever you'd like to join or whenever you'd like to chat, I'm here for you. It's always good to be talking with you, buddy. I appreciate your presence and concentration. Wish you the best when it comes to trading. Let's check on TIA. Nice, TIA followed our prediction too. This is interesting. Let's check on TAI. Can you check ATH? Let's check it for you. ATH could be bullish. We are forming, there could be a good possibility of forming inverse head and shoulders, but it's not like 100% clear or clean. Let's see, one moment. Meanwhile, on the 4 hours time frame, we are going sideways. We are currently breaking from above of the 200 EMA. We have filled the 0.61 Fibonacci retracement. There could be a good chance of going for a continuation up here in ETH. Could be a good opportunity for holding spot here. ETH is bullish. It's looking good, looking very good. Stop loss would be a little bit below of the 0.618 Fibonacci retracement. Thank you very much for being a part of this live stream. We have come to an end. I will see you in tomorrow's live stream. Make sure to subscribe.
You can't hide. I wanna know what you're